नमस्सर्वेभ्यः सर्वेषां स्वागतं व्याहरामि प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं कुर्मः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ॐ तत्सत्। हरिः ओम्। अस्तु, अद्य बहुकालानन्तरं द्वितीयपाठस्य उद्घाटनं कुर्वन्तः स्मः। प्रथमपाठस्य पाठनाय किञ्चित् अधिकः समयावकाशः स्वीकृतः मया। तत्र द्वितीयपाठे तु नूतनं किमपि कथं संस्कृतवाङ्मये वाक्यसंरचना भवति इति किञ्चित् भिन्नरीत्या पाठितमासीत्। तत्कारणात् प्रायः किञ्चित् अधिकवेला अभवत्। चिन्ता नास्ति, इदानीम् अग्रे सरामः। द्वितीयपाठस्य यथा पूर्वं सर्वस्मिन् पाठे प्रथमवाक्यमेव सूक्तिः इति यद् वदामः तदस्ति। द्वितीयसूक्तिः एवमस्ति पुस्तके। मनो हि हेतुः सर्वेषाम् इन्द्रियाणां प्रवर्तने। मनो हि हेतुः सर्वेषाम् इन्द्रियाणां प्रवर्तने। मनः हि सर्वेषाम् इन्द्रियाणां प्रवर्तने हेतुः भवति। भवति इति अध्याहरणं। तत्र तु मनः मनः। So 1.1 indicates it's a prathama ekavachana shabda. He indeed is avyayam. Okay, sarvesham, of all. Okay, so it's shashti bahuvachana, of all. Okay, indriyanam, of all what? Of all indriyas, of all sense organs and action organs also can be taken. Indriya means both. We call them karmendriya and jnanendriya, 5 plus 5. You guys know all that. So indriyanam, of all the indriyas, pravartane, in the activation, in the motivation, this kind of thing. Okay, hetuhu, hetu in Sanskritam means cause or reason. Okay, so Hindi people still use this very much. We in South don't use hetu so much, so we use our own words for that. Karana, like that. Karanam is also from Sanskritam, but hetu is the more paribhashik term for cause or reason. Okay, bhavati is so, happens so, like that. Okay, so मनः हि सर्वेषाम् इन्द्रियाणां प्रवर्तने हेतुः. We have almost no doubt about this. Basically, you cannot blame your body. Of course, we consider mind also as part of the Sharira in some sense, but it is closer to the Atma. So here you should take that link with Atma also. You should take a little bit in the sense. So okay, so mind is the cause of all activities of sense organs. So please keep your mind very clean and pristine. That is the what you call reflection or shlesha from this. Okay, so मनः ज्ञान इंद्रियाणाम् अथवा ज्ञानेन्द्रियाणां द्वारा विषयान् प्राप्त्वा पुनः कर्मेन्द्रियाणां प्रचोदकः भवति कार्यकरणे. So even the ज्ञानेन्द्रियas require prachodana, require motivation to grasp matters. Okay, otherwise, for example, we are hearing but not listening, this kind of things. Which I am very expert at in many classes. I have noticed, and most of us are having distractions like that. So that's why we should focus our mind. That's what is the important thing. Punaha karmendriyanam prachodakah. So it then motivates the karmendriyas to act properly. Karyakarane, in acting on some action. Okay, so we'll move on. I think it's very straightforward. Please.
सन्देहः अस्ति।
पृच्छतु भगिनि।
पृच्छामि वा?
आमाम्।
महोदय, प्राप्त्वा अत्र प्राप्त्वा you have mentioned, shouldn't it be prapya?
Correct, you're right. Prapya, correct. This tvanta
Dhanyawad.
is usable only with without upasarga. So
Upasarga.
prapya it should have been. That's I will edit that. Okay. Prapya.
Dhanyawad.
Samprapya or samprapya, prapya, like that it should go. Okay. So aptva, or it should be aptva. Okay.
Astu Modi.
And
Dhanyawad.
it's from the apnoti kriyapada dhatu. Apulr, something like that. Apulr prapane, something like that is. Its meaning also is in the same dhatu. Anyway, thank you, Bhagini, for pointing that out.
Dhanyawad Modi.
Good
So
to notice.
hetu means cause, sir. Cause.
Cause, reason, cause, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So the grammatical lesson continues. Idanim vayam vyakaranamsha patane कृदन्तेषु शत्रुप्रत्ययान्तरूपाणाम् एव ग्रहणम् अग्रे इतोपि ज्ञात्वा सरामः. तत्र किं प्रायः बहुवचनरूपाणि एतत् सर्वाणि प्राप्नुमः अस्मिन् पाठे इति प्रायः. This पश्यामः किं भवति इति. In the previous lesson, you got familiar with the Prathama Vibhakti forms of the present participles, Shatrantaha, like Pathan, Gachan, or Patantaha, Gachantaha, etc. One who is reading, one who is going, etc. Now you will learn the forms of some irregular verbs. Okay. So first lesson was easy because the regular verbs which decline in a standard way, they were the ones being focused upon. Okay, but there are some verbs that have their own variants. Okay, they vary in their forms due to the gana to which they belong, etc. So their formulae for transformation has a slight difference in how it behaves. So what Sanskrit Bharati has done is collected such irregular verbs and taught them here so that you can focus and remember that their forms are subtly different. So let us see. Okay. So Pita karyam kurvan putram drishtavan. In the an there is not much difference. It still has an, but the basic thing is in the kurvan. See karoti. So karon or karun or something like that, it is not. It is kurvan. Okay, so the form is changing with an ukara from kr dhatu. This kurvan has emerged. Okay, so that's what they are focusing on, how the dhatu forms vary there. Sometimes the end also you will see some variations occur. Okay, so pata karyam kurvan putram drishtavan. The father, the work as he is doing or while doing, the son as an object he saw. So karya is the karma pada for kru dhatu. Putra is the karma pada for the drish dhatu. Okay, for seeing. Okay, like this it works. Okay, so this karma is for this karma is for that. Pita is a common factor, common karta for both actions. And because he is doing both actions, this first action becomes subservient to the second in the form of a shatranta as a current continuous or present continuous tense. Okay. Aravindah Geetam Shrunvan Chitram Likhati. Shrunvan Chitram Likhati. So Aravinda, the karta, the song as the karma pada for the Shravana Kriya. Shrunoti is its form. But the Kridanta form has a vakara joining in. Okay, same as there. Okay, also. So Shrunvan, okay, Chitram Likati. Listening to the song, he writes a picture, painting, something. Okay, so Chitram again is the karma pada for Likati, Geetam for Shrunvan. And what I have done here is immediately also introduced you the Bahuvachana form. So Kurvan, Kurvantah. So that's not, that's similar to how Visa, okay. Earlier also Visa, Antaha, like that. So that much is common here. Okay. Shrunvan, Shrunvantah. Rakeshah Padatranam Kreenan Dhanasyutat Dhanam Svikritavan. Kreenan, as he is buying. Kreenati, Kreenan. Okay. And What is padatrana? You see the beautiful construction of the pada, we know is feet, and trana is protection or taking care. So that which takes care of the feet is padatranam. Huh? See how the yogika shabda is generated for foot protector. So the literally the engineering of this word is foot protector, like that. Okay, so that means chappal or something. So Rakesha, the subject, the object padatrana, the slipper, Kreenan, as he is buying, while buying, Dhanasyutat, from the bag of money, Dhana Syuta. So money bag. Tat, so Atramat, so from the Panchami. So from the Dhanasyuta, as something emerges from that. What emerges? Dhanam only. So Dhanam, the object of Svikara. So what is who is doing the Svikara? Rakesha only. So that means he is picking from the purse into his hand. Okay. Eventually the Svikara will happen to the vendor, but at this point he is still picking the money from the purse. That's what we can understand from this sentence. So Kreenan Svikritavan. Kim Kreenan Padatranam Kreenan. Kim Svikritavan Dhanam Svikritavan. Kasmat Svikritavan Syutat. Kasmin Syutat or Kidrishat or something like that. Sutra Syutat. You can emerge it as one answer or as a compound like that. Dhanasyutat like that. Okay, Dhanasya Syutat or Dhanasyutat. Svikritavan.
Svikritavan means took, sir. Took.
Yeah, past participle kartari. Okay, Rakesha Svikritavan. So Rakesha received. Rakesha became the person who received. Like that. Okay. And Kreenan Kreenantah. Bahuvachana Shatranta. Okay. Shishuhu Rudan Pitamaham Mahim Kshamyatam. Pitamahim Ahutavan. So Shishuhu Balaha Rudan Rodanam Kurvan Pitamahim Pitamahi Pita paternal grandmother. Okay, father's mother. Pitamahim Ahutavan. He called her. So Shishuhu Ahutavan. Shishu invited, called. Whom? Pitamahim. Katham Rudan. Okay. Kim Kurvan or Katham. Kim Kurvan is one way to ask, or Katham, but Kim Kurvan is better question. Kim Kurvan Ahutavan, Rudan Ahutavan. So I'm just exploding a little bit of akanksha here there to practice. Rudan Rudantah. Vriddaha idanim ganaharam svikartum shaknuvan asti. See, normally we don't complicate like this. See, Vriddaha, the old man, idanim now, ganaharam, solid food as an object, svikartum, in order to receive. Okay, shaknuvan asti. Abling, if I use stretch English a little bit, abling type of word. Okay, so asti, he is. That means he is enabled to receive solid food now. So normally we just say shaknoti, but why the shaknuvan asti is a better prayoga in the context? That means nowadays he is capable of taking solid food. If so, shaknoti, shaknuvan asti is a little bit more colorful way of saying it. That's all. Okay, not too different from shaknoti. Huh? Okay, so Shaknuvan Asti gives the sense of in these days, a little bit of current continuous tense tinge gives the sense of these days, if you can see. So even in your mother tongues, you do this equivalent prayoga, you will see that color slightly, that bhava slightly emerge. So we know the subtle bhavartha differences of our mother tongue. So compare in similar fashion there. Oh, you will see the difference between Shaknoti and Shaknuvan Asti. Okay, very subtle. एतत् अकार्यम् इति जानन् अपि सः उत्कोचं स्वीकरोति. Okay, so etat, this, akaryam, not the work to be done, a nicha karya, an akarya, akaryam, iti, so, janan, knowing, even while knowing, api, even then. So then part of that, even then, saha, that fellow, utkocham, bribe. Okay, utkocham svikaroti, he receives. So despite knowing that such an act is not to be done, he receives bribe like that. Janan, janantah. Okay, knowing one person, knowing many person. Okay. Balakah kandukam. Is there a question? Okay. So balakah kandukam krinan margam pashyati. The boy as the subject, the ball as the object, purchasing, while purchasing, as he is purchasing, the road, margam as an object, pashyati, he sees. So karma pada for the drish dhatu. Drish dhatu take the form of pashyati in lat. Okay, so balakah kandukam krinan margam pashyati. Balakaha kandukam krinantah margam pashyanti. Pluralization of the same thing. Krinantah. Of course, you can pluralize kanduka if you wish. It can be one or more kanduka they're buying. You can still use a singular kandukam. Okay.
So the fifth one, please, sir. Please, the fifth one, once again you tell the same because my internet went off, sir. Fifth one.
If my general request
not
is,
Shruyate
if,
Mahoday.
is anybody else everybody having problems in listening to me?
No, it's
No,
fine.
sir.
No, mine
It's
also
absolutely
unstable it came,
Yeah,
sir.
no,
It's
no
clear.
problem.
Very
No
clear,
problem.
very clear.
Clear, sir. Clear.
So okay.
Absolutely
So
clear.
those few who due to local issues face some issue, no. Usually, if issue is at my end, I will get many complaints immediately. Okay, because generally a good lot of people. So statistically, at 20% of the people will come out saying something is wrong from your end because they notice that it is not at their end. So generally, if you have trouble at your end, me going back repeating too many times is not going to be of collective help because I am also for that reason providing recordings. Please kindly just as a revision follow the recording to catch up on the missed portions. Okay, that's the general request. But today I will just proceed to explain. Vruddhaha, the old fella, idanim, now, ganaharam, solid food as an object, svikartum, in order to receive, shaknuvan, he is capable, he is abling, something like that. There is no such word as abling in English. I am forcing Shatranta in English. Asti, he is. Abling, he is. That means he is able, like that. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
लेखकः प्रशस्तिं प्राप्नुवन् गतदिनानि स्मृतवान्. Lekakah, the author, prashastim, the reward, award as an object, prapnuvan, as receiving, gatadinani, the past days, as an object, bahuvachana, smritavan, he became a fellow who remembered. So, lekakah smritavan, kim smritavan, gatadinani smritavan. So, kani, gatadinani smritavan, kim kurvan, prapnuvan, kim prapnuvan, prashastim prapnuvan. So he's getting a reward in his old age, so he remembers all his achievements of the past. Prapnuvantaha, lekhakaha prapnuvantaha, lekhakaha prapnuvan. Okay, few times if you mouth, you will internalize it. Ravindraha putram grinhan yanam arudhavan. Okay, Ravindra, a person by that name, the son as an object, grinhan. See, one thing I want to talk about this reading of this. So you will immediately, if you just follow the technicality of the Devanagari Lipi, you will read this as grihnan. Okay, but hakara with a baby in its body, like that, hakara with a baby in its body, many of them, the leading attack pronunciation is for the baby and then the hakara. It makes it softer and easier on the mouth. So even in the Paninian rules, some places you will see that the sandhi is more influenced by this nakara than hakara. From that we know that even in Paninian way, though he has not told how to pronounce it, of course he wrote it, so he didn't audio record it. So we can recall from those formulas that actually the pronunciation order is Grinhan for them. Okay, we don't write Nakara first and then Hakara. We write Hakara and the baby Nakara, but the pronunciation order is reversed. It's an exception to the script. Okay, the reading order Grinhan. Okay. So Grinhan Yanam Arudhavan. So Ravindra grabbing his son. Grab is a bad translation. Maybe carrying or catching his son. Yanam holding. Thank you, Bhagini. Much better word. Yanam, the vehicle as an object. Arudhavan. He became a fellow who climbed it. Literal Butler translation I'm giving. You guys need to simplify, iron it out in English. Okay. Huh. Why I am using Butler, I am trying to point out there is no thing. There is no thing in all this. So the thing has to be added. So for example, Ravindraha Putram Grinhan Yanam Arudavan Asit, something like that. Okay. Asti, if you want to state it as if he is still there in the bus, then you use Asti. If it is some story of yesterday where he had climbed it, you say Asit, like that. Okay. Bhavishyati also you can say. Ravindraha putram grinhan yanam arudhavan bhavishyati tatra gatva pashyatu. He will have been the fellow who would have climbed with his son, so go look for him there. So you can put that in Bhavishyat Kala also. See how we can transfer the Kridanta's temporality to actually relate to some future time. So past tense of a future. Arudavan bhavishyati. Okay. It's a funny. So it's like a shifting time like that. Okay. It happens in your mother tongue. You have to just notice the power of the language. That's all. Okay. That's why you cannot conclude, oh, this is past tense. This is past of something. What is that something has to conclude the time. Okay. Shikshakaha uttaram dadat. This one is quite deviant, you see. Dadat kakshyatah gatavan. So even in Latlakara, this dhatu is tough one. Dadati, dadatah, dadati. So Nakara only doesn't come. Dadati, dadatah, dadati. Something like it is the form in Latlakara. This is a tough gana. It belongs to a tough gana. So that's why it behaves like that. And even in Shatru form, it has its strangeness. Okay, so you have to carefully note them and remember. Shikshakaha uttaram dadat kakshyatah gatavan. So dadan also is incorrect. So dadat is the form there. Okay, 3. So there is a note there. Let me see the next page. 3 giving. Okay, they didn't give any special note. Okay, I was thinking they will give some special note. Okay, kakshyatah gatavan. So the teacher, the answer giving, while giving from the class, he left. Okay, so dadat, dadatah. So dadat is ekavachana, dadatah bahuvachana. Okay, all right. Sainikah Dandanayakat Bibhyat Pratigatavan. The soldier from the leader, Dandanayaka is a what you can call the leader of the
Commander.
Commander, yeah, batch of soldiers, yeah, commander. Thank you, sir. From the commander, Bibhyat, while fearing, Pratigatavan, he returned, maybe to fight again. I don't know the context, but let's not worry about all that. So, Bibhyat, while fearing, Bibhyat, Bibhyatah, Dadat, Dadatah. So this gana, you can see there is also what we call abhyasa, this duplication of 2 pronunciations. See, dadat, bibhyat, ba, bha, da. Okay, so this gana has that also. In addition to the end form being different, it has the abhyasa in its dhatu form. Okay, so maybe the dhatu itself is a single dane, something like that it is. Okay, but the forms have abhyasa in them. Abhyasa means replication in them, duplication in them. Dadat, bibhyat, like that. Okay. Bhaya, dhatu of bhaya is, but in the application it has bib, double duplication. Okay, so you will notice that is a clue. That is a clue that we should be wary is it from that gana. Okay. If you ask me what gana, I am not expert enough to have memorized all that and tell you, but generally I know some fourth gana, something like that. Some gana is troublesome. Okay?
Third gana, sir.
Third gana. Thank you, Bhagini.
Juhotyadi gana.
Juhotyadi gana. Thank you, Bhagini. Thank you very much. Okay, something nice is selling in her street. Okay, Sainikah Dandanayakat Bibhyat Pratigatavan. So fearing the commander, the soldier returned. Te Nutana Prakoshte Rajum Badnantah Geetavantah. Now what 11 sentences of Ekavachana of strange dhatus they gave. Now they switched to Bahuvachana forms. So some of those dhatus may appear or maybe some new dhatus also may come. Okay. So te Nutana Prakoshte Rajum Badnantah Geetavantah. So this guy Bandh. Okay. Bandhana, that's what it is. So that actually you see the order of the letters has reversed. That's why it complicates in our head. Badhnantaha. This is not Ghakara. This is a Dhakara. Okay. Unfortunately, in the bold font they have used, it looks like Bhagnantaha. Actually tying. So it is Badhnantaha. Bhagna is to break. Badhna is to bind. Okay. Bandhana of Hindi. Okay. Te Nutana Prakoshte Rajjum Badnantaha Geetavantah. So in you write a small whorl there in the top. Okay. Make sure you put a whorl like this, what you see in my font. Badnan Badnantaha. Okay. Geetavantaha. So those people, okay, probably Panditaha, Nutana Prakoshte, in the new room, Rajjum, a thread as an object or a rope, Badnantaha, tying, as they were tying, Geetavantaha, they sang. So te Geetavantaha, they sang. Okay. So what is this, you may ask? What is this? Is very familiar to us. This is in Griha Pravesha. At least in the south I have seen that the new couple who are inaugurating the house for themselves in the Griha Pravesha, they are made to take this thread and with specific mantras being recited at that time for the blessings, they tie this rope around the room externally or sometimes internally also they tie it. Just take the thread around the Prakoshta border. Okay, basically in a symbolic way, saying, you know, may this thread protect us, something like that, and may this holy thread with all the mantras embedded in it protect us, something like that. Okay, it's a nice, very hopeful process. When dharma exists, that is enough. Nayakaha mitrasya kashtam janantah sahayam kritavantah. Janantah, janantah. Gnyadatu, I think. Okay. So Nayakaha, the leaders, mitrasya, of the friend. See, mitram, napumsakalinga shabda. So mitram, akaranta napumsakalinga shabda. Mitram, mitre, mitrani, mitram, mitre, mitrani. After that, like ekavach, sorry, pullinga akaranta. So mitrena, mitrabhyam, mitraihi. So shashti ekavachana mitrasya, ramasya type. Okay. Mitrasya kashtam janantah sahayam. So I have to press the ya, not the ha. Sahayam kritavantah. So the leaders of the friend, the difficulty while knowing, as they were knowing or knowing that sahayam, the help as an object, they did. Kritavantah. Nayakaha kritavantah. Okay. Kritavan, kritavantau, kritavantah. Kurvan is the Shatranta form. Okay. Shishavaha, Shishuhu, we had seen earlier here, Shishuhu in number 4. So Shishavaha plural. Shishavaha mataram smarantaha rudantaha asan.
One doubt is
Very
here.
sad
Can I ask,
situation.
sir? Can I ask one doubt?
Please.
The above 113, Nayakaha mitrasya kashtam janantah. Why not jnataha?
No, Gnataha would complete it. I mean, Gnataha is a pull, Ekavachana kta pratyayanta. Okay, so that's why slowly, no, there are many forms. Okay, you have to be slowly. So Jnataha means the fellow who knows. Okay, so Nayakaha Jnataha, that you can use that way. Okay, here Nayakaha, and then there is something in addition to knowing, they did something, right? They helped. So the sentence is trying to say they knew first and then they helped. So while knowing, they helped. That's what it wants to say. That's why the Shatranta form Janantaha is there. Okay.
Oh, astu Mahodaya. Dhanyawada.
That's why it's a special dhatu under this cluster. Its Shatranta form from its dhatu is a little more complicated derivation than normal. That's all. That's why it's called special. Okay. Shishavaha mataram smarantaha rudantaha asan. The babies, the mother as an object, smarantaha, remembering as they were remembering, and rudantaha, as they were crying, they were. Okay. So this again, this double shatranta gives this, there is almost no need for asan. You can say Shishavaha mataram smarantaha rudanti or arudan, something like that, and finish it. But rudantaha asan is more powerful, like I told the bhavartha. Crying they were. Okay, so that means there was no end to their misery. So this is the first day of nursery school scene. Okay, mataram smarantaha rudantaha asan. Te प्रतिवर्षं जन्मदिनोत्सवे रुग्णेभ्यः phalam dadatah asan. See, dadat we saw earlier. Okay, somewhere. Okay, I don't know where. So we saw dadat. So this is dadatah. Here we saw dadat. Number 10. So dadatah plural form. So te, those people, prativarsham, every year, janma dinotsave, in the festival of birth day, okay, rugnebhyah, for the those who are afflicted. Rugna is a patient or an afflicted person. Okay, in hospital it's a patient, somewhere else it can be with some other affliction, no problem. Some afflicted people, okay, but generally patient. Phalam, the fruit, dadataha, giving asan, they were. So it shows, almost describes the action in motion. Okay, dadan, dadati, dadati, dadatah, dadati. So they could have said adadat, adadat, adadat or something, which is the lung form to finish it. But dadataha asan is a more colorful way. It puts the action in motion. So you can almost see a movie in the sentence. Okay, that's why the shatranta is powerful usage there. Okay, kodutta iddaru, kottaru, kuduttar, done deal. There is no motion there. Kodutta iddaru, there is motion in the action. Same way, dadataha asan, or in Hindi, dete hue the. Dete hue the. Little bit more stretch you have to do. My Hindi. Proper Hindi, somebody will say better form there, but my Hindi is dete hue the, something like that. Anybody from Hindi world here?
Yes, sir. Dete hue rahe.
Dete hue rahe. The, asan the. So dete hue only.
Rahe is past tense.
Past tense. The is also past tense. See, whenever I find in my class very funny, I ask for a Hindi person, generally one South person volunteers. I like that.
सर वे प्रतिवर्ष जन्म
South Indians are everywhere.
हाँ
देते रहते हैं कैसे
रहते हैं
नहीं देते थे करेक्ट है अभी जिसने कहा उन्होंने बराबर बताया
दे रहे थे
नहीं
दे रहे थे
दे स्टिल गिविंग मींस देते रहते हैं अभी मतलब
दे रहे थे
कंटिन्यूइंग ना
देते रहे थे इज लिटिल बिट मोर एक्शन मोशन वेरी गुड.
Yeah, it's still continuing. Yeah.
So you see, different techniques are there in each of our mother tongues. So Sanskrit has a very precise Shatranta technique. That's all. Okay. It is less, once you know the form, it is less cumbersome. There is no additional words to throw in. In all our mother tongues, generally we start throwing additional rahete, huete, all those things. Here it is simply built-in technique. Dadataha. Finish. Okay. So it's powerful. The pratyayas of Sanskritam are unbeatable. Okay. we generally find most massive repertoire of pratyayas to cover situations. Okay. Janaha vartaha shrunvantah harshodgaram kritavantah. The people, the news, many newses. I'm stretching my English to Sanskrit world. Newses. Shrunvantah, while listening, those people. Harshodgaram. So harsha udgara. So happy pronouncements. So hey, hey, like that. Okay. Kritavantaha, they did, pushing it to past tense. Okay. So shrunvantaha, while listening, they were screaming like Andaha bithim grinhantaha sopanani arudavantaha. So the blind people, the wall, as they were holding, while holding the wall, the stairs, sopanani, the stairs, arudhavantaha, they climbed. They became the fellows who climbed, like that. Okay. All right. Karyakartaraha karyam kurvantaha geetam geetavantaha. So the workers, okay, karyam yah karoti saha karyakartru tasya bahuvachana रूपतमा विभक्ते कर्तारः कार्यकर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः. You know that कर्तृ शब्द like पिता पितरौ पितरः, like that. Okay. Karyam kurvantah, while doing the work, so many kru dhatu. This one is very funny. You know, see, Sanskrit is capable of this. Sanskrit is only capable of this. Karya is from kru dhata. Karta is from kru dhatu. Karyam is from kru dhatu. Kurvantaha is from kru dhatu. So the first four things are dominated by the work dhatu. Dhatu for work. Okay. So how many ways that single dhatu has been manipulated into different forms is visible in this simple sentence. Geetam geetavanta. So the workers, the work as they were working, if I want to stretch the Sanskritized the English, as they were working, the song they sang. Even here you see the duplication. Song is from the same dhatu as the action of singing. Okay. Same in English, you see song, sing. Huh? That same sense of the language of trying to stick to one dhatu and deriving the noun forms and the action forms from it exists. It is not as organized in those languages as it is in Sanskritam. That's all. Sanskritam, it's very rule based. Kauravaha janantaha api adharmam acharitavantah. So the Kauravas, the nemesis of Pandavas, janantaha, despite knowing, while knowing. Okay. Janantaha api gives the sense of why, despite knowing. Okay. But actually knowing to, that is the Butler translation. Knowing to, knowing and, something like that. Adharmam acharitavantah. The not what is dharma, adharma, they practiced. Okay. Or they enacted, like that. Balaha sarpat bibhyatah dhavitavantah. So bibhyat we saw earlier. Ekavachana bibhyatah is there. Okay. Balaha, the boys, young children. Sarpat, from the snake. So this is actually this saptami is forced by the bhaya dhatu, bibhyatah. This you see when you read it. When you read the vibhakti forms, you would have studied this. Mahodaya, what is the question?
Number 13, नायकाः मित्रस्य कष्टं जानन्तः साहाय्यं कृतवन्तः. And number 19, the कौरवाः जानन्तः अपि अधर्मम् आचरितवन्तः. Is there any difference between these two, this जानन्तः and that जानन्तः? No.
I think you can say 13 and 19 are kind of duplicates, examples. You can say, but with different color. Yes.
Knowingly.
Actually, I am putting level 6. No, 6 knowing. So there also janantah is knowing only. Okay. Despite knowing.
While knowing.
Yeah. Not too different. You are right. Good observation. 13 and 19 are just two examples of similar applications. Balaha sarpat bibhyatah davitavantah. They ran. They became the fellows who ran. Fearing. See, in English we say fearing from the oh, actually it's Panchami. Why did you say Saptami? I apologize deeply. So Panchami. So from the snake. Same way we use in English also or in Kannada also. Sarpadinda bhayapattu, like that we say. Okay. In the previous lesson, you have learnt the Shatranta forms of regular verbs like gachan, piban, etc. Actually, regular verbs is itself a questionable thing, because if you say the gam dhatu, gamildr gatao, gam dhatu has become gach and all that. So already enough transformation has taken place, but just barely you can call it regular. Basically, dominant set of verbs behave in one way, that becomes like regular, and the balance become irregular. That's how it is. So piban. Given here are the Shatranta forms of Vishesha Kriya Padani. Carefully read them and memorize. So basically, the sentences have them, so they are asking you to memorize. They haven't, I think, maybe there is a table. Okay, you can say the examples are there in Abhyasa more. But I have made a subtle table to help us. So kurvan kurvantaha, shrunvan shrunvantaha, krinan krinantaha, rudan rudantaha, shaknuvan shaknuvantaha. Being one person who is capable of, abling. I cannot find more better translation than abling type. Okay, many abling. So janan janantaha, not janan janantaha, prapnuvan prapnuvantaha, grinhan grinhantaha, dadat dadataha. These are little bit more strange. Bibhyat bibhyataha, smaran smarantaha. So these two are even more irregular than the rest. In the 10th sentence above, dadat is the Shatranta form. You may wonder why it is different from Pathan. So they have treated that so nicely. You have learnt about the grouping of roots into 10 ganas. The Shatranta form of the roots of the third gana, like Bhagini helped us earlier, do not have Juhotyadi. She even mentioned the technical title. Juhu, Dhatu, etc. Juhoti, Adi, Ganaha. Juhotyadi, Ganaha. Juhoti and etc. And Panini uses Juhoti, the actual lat form, to indicate the dhatu, because it's easier to use that in a sentence. He does that way. Okay. Gana does not have nakara, so the nakara is missing. So hence the form dadat. Okay. The plural of the same will be dadataha. Similarly, bibhyat, dadhat. So dadat iti dharane. This is different. Okay, so to wear that sense. Okay, there is no nakara. The plural forms of all the irregular verbs used in the above sentences are given in the exercise below. Okay, so they said, okay, use the first two columns of the exercise itself to practice. Nice, 2 in 1. Giving, being afraid, we saw the meanings as we were doing. So I just written some additional thing. Karoti kurvanti in Shatru becomes kurvan kurvantaha. But you see, kurvanti continues that same technique. Remove the ti and form kurvan, and then ntaha you do. So that is not varying. Similarly, you see dadati, remove ti, and but here it is not nakara. You have to remember it is takara. You have to put dadat, not dadan. Dadat dadataha. And no nakara here also. Okay. Actually, kurvantaha. Kurvataha va? What is it? Kurvantaha only. Here nakara is heard except for these dadataha bibhyataha. Yeah, okay. Okay, dha, to wear. That is dadat. Dha dhatu. Again, you see the third gana, so that abhyasa. Da, dha, bibha, da, like that. Okay, abhyasa, practice. अधस्तन क्रियापदानां बहुवचनान्तानां रूपं नान्तं रूपं दृष्ट्वा शत्रन्तपुल्लिङ्गैकवचनान्तं रूपं लिखत. So below written verbs, looking at the bahuvachana rupa, looking at having seen the bahuvachana rupa, please write the Shatranta Pullinga Ekavachananta Rupa of those dhatus, remembering that they are all special dhatus. Yes, sir.
Sir, dadat means to give, no, sir, or where? That is big dat.
Dadat means while giving.
That
all
is giving.
of them have the while sense. while doing,
Oh,
while
okay.
listening, while
Yeah.
buying, while, as, or while, as doing, as listening, like that. Okay, as or
Okay.
while.
Dhanyavada.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Dhanyavada.
No problem. So they have given one simple. So karoti, kurvanti, kurvan. So very straightforward for us. So now let us crowdsource the answers for the remaining. Shrunoti, shrunvanti. Shrunvan, Shrunvantaha for Bahuvachana. What I did it is I wrote the Bahuvachana also. You guys do that. Shrunvan, Shrunvantaha. Better to practice as a pair. Badnati, Badnanti.
Badnan,
Badnan, Badnantaha. While binding in plurality. Roditi, Rudanti. Rudantaha. So cries, Roditi, Shishuhu Roditi, Shishu cries. Shishavaha Rudanti, many babies cry. Rudan Santi, Rudan Asti, Kshamyatam. Rudan Asti, Rudantaha Santi. Okay, like Shaknoti, Shaknuvanti. Shaknuvantaha. So far, no, what you call, no hit wicket. So far, we are going well. Let us see where we get hit wicket. Janati, Jananti. Janantaha. Very good. Krinati, Krinanti. Krinantaha. Okay, very good. Apnoti, Apnuvanti. Apnuvantaha. It will be so nice if Samskritarthi in the exam also gives one example and asks us to answer. It's like, cakewalk if they do that. They don't. Okay. So at least you have to remember the example. Grinhati, Grinhanti. Grinhan, Grinhantaha. So here you see, notice Vakara has come into the picture. Here Shaknuvanti Vakara has come into the picture, which was not there earlier. So here and there you should remember Shaknoti, Shaknuvan Vakara enters into the picture. Okay. Similarly, Apnuvan. So what you do when you make in the exercise book, when you practice, try to sort them, saying these have Vakara one form, these don't, like that. You can sort the set. So I would probably put different color highlight for Shaknuvan, Apnuvan. They have their own subtle color variation, which we have to notice and color it and keep them. Okay. Dadati. Dadataha. No Naka. Red. That's why I have highlighted red. Dadataha. Bibeti, Bibyati. Bibyataha. Similar to Dadat. So again, third Gana. Okay. Like I told you, all this Gana Pana, where do we get all the data? There is one simple website, not simple, beautiful website, I should requalify that, where all these are collected in a wonderful way. It's useful for the beginner, useful for the Pandita. That website is having a myriad of information useful for all variety people. Ashtadhyayi.com. I have shared earlier the links. Ashtadhyayi.com. You go there, you will find a page, you can click Dhatu Pataha, then you can search for any, you don't need to know the Dhatu's original form. You just, if you know, for example, Badnan, type Badnan there. Of course, you have to put some Sanskrit script typing tool, like I use Pramukh IME tool. Okay. So, and then it's easy to type in Sanskritam. And it will immediately take you to the whole table, dhatu form, whether it's Ubayapadi, Atmanepadi, everything you will capture in one place of all the lakaras. And now the person is enhancing it with Nijanta and all that also. So some Kridanta forms they're trying to add. Slowly he's building the database. So it's a wonderful place for us to know the pure forms there. It's a very highly trustable website. Yeah.
Sir, in Ashtadhyayi, I think so. They have not yet done the Kridanta forms,
I think the placeholders are there. They need a lot of volunteers to help. So maybe one day when I have efficient knowledge, I'll also help. I don't know.
So there's another site called as Samsadhani.
Samsadhini. I think it's University of Hyderabad. One very, very good, hardworking lady is there, Amba Kulkarni. Kulkarni. She is doing with PhD student, master students, etc. of computer science and all that. She is bringing a lot of value into the equation. Some works like that are happening in different places. Yeah. अधो निर्दिष्टानां क्रियापदानां शत्रन्त पुल्लिंग एकवचनान्तरूपं बहुवचनान्तरूपं च लिखत. So now they are asking both eka bahu like we did earlier. Now they are not giving the lat bahu. They are just giving lat eka. Okay. So we have to do shatru eka, shatru bahu. Of course in Prathama Vibhakti we have to do. So janati, janan, janantah. Nothing new. We saw it so many times. Grinhati.
गृह्णन्त
गृह्णन् गृह्णन्तः क्रीणाति
क्रीणन् क्रीणन्तः
क्रीडन्तः
वेरी गुड रोदिति
रुदत्
रुदन् good anyway somebody thought it could be rudat, nothing wrong in how they are thinking, there may be rudan only, rudan rudantah. Okay, good. Dadati red ink dadat dadatah. Okay, karoti kurvantah. Okay, so you notice I have tried to give this some coloring. This is a little bit more, this is having actually I don't know why I would have put green for this. That may be because I alternate blue and green to stand out. Okay, my standard technique is to alternate the lines in green and blue so that it doesn't look like one mass. Otherwise it becomes very difficult to read. That's why I'm doing it. And where a highlight of the pratyaya I am doing, that's subtly different. Kurvan kurvantah. Shaknoti. Here the vakara is red. Okay, though I haven't made it. Shaknuvan shaknuvantah. Vakara should have been red there. Okay, in my maybe I will edit by the time I teach next class. I will have better slides. Bibeti. Immediately notice abhyasa bibha. So the badha. So immediately again they have the wrong ghakara here. I don't know whether it's editing error or whether it's looking wrong. I don't know. Anyway, bibheti. So, I think composition error. So bibheti is bibhyat. Like that. Bibhyatah. There is a yakara. There is a yakara that is generated. I think that also we have to notice. Apnoti. Correct. Standard. Apnuvan, apnuvantah are standard special dhatu. Badnati.
Badnan badnantah.
Shrunoti.
Shrunvan.
So 100 out of 100 today. No problem. So 5 more minutes are there. Maybe we'll finish this exercise quickly also. There slightly what Samskrita Bharati is doing is trying to make it interesting for us. That's why I actually in the class spend a lot of time on exercises. Even if it means we are going to spend here 35-40 sessions, I want us to feel that we did more than what we can achieve otherwise. So I'm trying to get this done. Avarane dattanam kriyapadanam sahayena uchitaihi shatranta rupaihi riktastalani purayata with proper shatranta rupas. So that's why karanakaraka bahuvachana uchitaihi shatranta rupaihi. See, notice how every sentence, even the sentence that is telling us to do an exercise, has things to teach us of Sanskritam. Okay, so avarane saptami in the indicated space, dattanam of the given kriyapadanam verbs of them, sahayena with their help, karanakaraka, uchitaihi shatranta rupaihi using proper shatranta rupas, riktasthalani the empty spaces, purayata fill. Okay, lot. Lingva lotva purayatu purayata. So maybe ling. Okay.
Lot
only va lot. Oh, it's a
lot.
Okay. Nartakaah geetam shrunvantah nartitavantah. Shrunvanti is the bahuvachananta rupa of shrunvan. Shrunoti. So shrunoti shrunvanti. So shrunvan you take out the ti, then you will get shrunvan, pluralize it shrunvantah. Okay, nartitavantah. So nartakaah, the male dancers. Nartakyah would be feminine. Okay, Samskrita is very precise there. Or it can be a collection of male and female dancers. That also is possible. Geetam, the song, Shrunvantaha, as they were listening, Nartitavantaha, they danced. Nartakaha Geetam Shrunvantaha Nartitavantaha. I already filled there. Okay. Chatraha dash
रुदन्तः
Rudantaha. Correct. Plural. So Rudantaha.
पाठं लिखितवन्तः
What a sad sentence. So the students crying, they wrote the lesson. Okay. And I will explain this word chhatra a little bit. Okay. Sometimes you cannot use chhatra for any student. This chhatra is a very, very, you can say Gurukula type of student. So in Gurukula, they take a Diksha, right? That the next so many years as a what you call brahmachari, they will focus on studies and live on alms. So these guys, they hold because they are moving around in the sun and rain and all that and carrying on. They hold a chhatra. Okay. So they hold a special umbrella as part of their apparel. So that umbrella, because they are umbrella holders, the title Chatraha comes. I think if it is a physical derivation, that's how it is. I have to see the Vyutpatti. So that's why I cannot use the word Chatra for any student. Okay.
Good imagination, sir.
Huh? No. Tadartameva tatha. So we have to use Vidyarthi. Otherwise, for people
there is
like
similarity in the word, but can't we because of the umbrella?
Yeah. No, it is because of the umbrella
It could
holding.
be like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we can say Vidyarthi.
Vidyarthi. So for us, generally for us, Vidyarthi is a better word. Okay. Those who are in seekers of knowledge, like that. Okay. They are also Vidyarthi, but they are Chhatras also. Okay. Bhaktaha Japam dash Anandam Anubhavanti. So as they are doing the japa, they experience happiness. Archakaha Tirtham dash Upavishtantaha Santi. Dadataha. That's why I highlighted green. Dadataha. This is having Abhyasa, Tritiya Gana. Dadataha Upavishtantaha Santi. Dadataha. So the Archakas are the guys who worship the holy water as an object, giving as they are giving, they are sitting. So see, are sitting, literally, are is Santi, sitting is Upavishhtavanta. Shikshakaha pustakani dash shalam Krinantaha. Okay. Agatavanta. Very rarity, teachers buying books, but anyway. Shikshakaha pustakani Krinantaha shalam agatavantah. So buying the books, the teachers came to the school. It's usually students who are doing that. Anyway, Vidyarthinaha, see here the other word is used. Shikshakebhyah dash grihapatam samapitavantaha. Fearing the teachers from the teachers. So fearing from the teachers, that sense. Okay. The students, they finished the homework. Okay. Nice sentences. I love almost the picture that comes out of every sentence is very colorful. Abhimaninaha pakshasya dhvajam apareshu dash agre gatavantah.
बध्नन्तः अग्रे गतवन्तः.
बध्नतः वा बध्नन्तः वा? Badnantah. Here nakara is there. Okay.
Agre gatavantah.
Yeah, see badnantah. So it may have come in their list also. See badnati, badnanti, badnantah. I have written. Hopefully it is there earlier also. Okay. So yeah, this is a little, you have to be cautious here. Though it seems like there is a third gana, the nakara does appear, so we need to cross check that style.
The 12th sentence in the lesson was there. They sang tying the rope.
Oh, Badnantaha only was there. Okay. So these pictures that I have here, these pictures are actually images extracted from that same ashtadhyayi.com website. So what I'm telling, so if I type, for example, Bibheti in that window after Dhatu Rupa set, it will immediately throw this table at me. In fact, it will throw a whole big table set. Okay, from that it will highlight what you have searched, where it is. So you can immediately say, oh, this is actually Pratama Purusha Ekavachana of Lat of the Bhi Dhatu, and the Dhatu means to fear, to be afraid, anxious, etc. Okay, so and also it see which Gana, Juhotyadi, see like Bagini said third Gana, see 0.03.0002. So this is the second Dhatu in the list of Dhatus of third Gana, and it's Juhotyadi Gana. Juhoti is the first Dhatu, and this is the second Dhatu. Parasmaipadi Dhatu. It's not an Atmanepadi Dhatu, it's only Parasmaipadi. So it only has the Ti, Taha, Anti forms. Akarmakaha, it doesn't take a Karma Pada. See, fearing is not having a Karma Pada. It is Karta's direct feeling. Okay, just like jumping like that. So Anit. Okay, this one is a little bit more technical. What you see is Anit. So this means it doesn't have an it type of insertion in its prakriya. That's what it's a clue. It's a tag for this dhatu saying it's an anit. So when it goes through the Paninian formula, it skips the steps involved for nit akshar. Okay. Okay. So a lot of things there. So I have.
कृपया षट् लाइन के अर्थम षट्.
Oh, very easy. Very. Shashtamasya artham vadatu.
Shashtamasya artham vadatu.
So abhimaninaha, the faithfuls, or the what you call the bhaktas.
Admirers.
Admirers. Okay, you can call it bhakta nowadays. Okay. Pakshasya, of the party. Dvajam, the flag as an object. Apaneshu, in the shops. Amidst the shops or in the shops. Badnantaha, while tying, as they were tying. Agre, forward. Gatavantaha, they became the fellows who moved. So you can imagine election time and a series of these over-enthusiastic party workers tying their respective party flags everywhere where nobody cares and going. Okay? Okay. Hoping that the number of flags will decide the votes. Okay. Avarane dattanam kriyapadanam shatrantra pulling ekavachanantena rupena riktasthanani purayata. What is the difference? Taihi plural was there. Here is ekavachana has been given. That's all. Okay. Could use both is the clue right there. Okay. Anyway, so not too different, a slightly different type of exercise. That's all. Grinhati, Badnati. So they have given now a slightly different exercise for you. They have given a list of Latlakara dhatu forms for the special dhatus. Grinhati, Badnati, Janati, Prapnoti, Roditi. Roditi is quite a stumper. Shaknoti, Bibeti. Okay. Now they have spread out 6 sentences and we don't know which dhatu belongs where. So you have to use a little bit of your, okay, one of the dhatus, no. Okay, Roditi has been pulled out of the equation. I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. Yeah. So 6 are left for us to solve. Okay, so you have to apply the correct dhatu. So you have to be little careful. So now you have to use your meaning derivation capability also. Okay, so that's why you cannot just go with only word. You have to be context sensitive. Saha karyam kartum dash api tushnim sthitavan.
Shaknuvan.
Janan, Shaknuvan, both fit. Okay, so technically Shaknuvan, Janan both fit. So either way you won't be incorrect. So keep like, you know, like we do. See, like we do puzzles now, we should write in pencil both and keep a slash there and go on. See, somewhere else the other fits, right? Cancel one and put it there. Like that you have to solve it.
The second Janan fits. In second Janan is fitting.
Bhagini is ahead of us. Let us see. So I want to open the answer. Let's see next. Shankaraha Pradeshika bhasham. Sorry. Shankaraha Pradeshika bhasham dash api Swamatru Bhashaya eva Uttaritavan. So this Shankara, So here you cannot use prop.
Shaknuvan.
Shaknuvan. Okay. So here because Janan is the correct fitting. So we have to put Janan there and Shaknuvan there. Okay. So we put Shaknuvan, Janan. So sometimes you have to use that technique. Huh? You know, in match the tables, this is there very much. So Sarveshah Nutanan Anubhavan dash Karyashrenyam Agre Gatavan. Sarveshah, somebody.
One.
So new experiences obtaining. He went ahead in the ladder of his career. Karyashreni is a ladder of career. So this Sarvesha, Prapnuvan. So obtaining, correct. Panguhu, monkey. Dandam dash marge chalati.
Grinhan.
Oh, sorry, not monkey. Panguhu means a fellow without legs.
Lame
Person.
Lame.
Sorry, I made a mistake in translation.
Langada.
So lame person, Langada. So Dandam, what is the word? Grinhan, holding.
Grinhan marge chalati.
Nartakaha
Grinhan marge chalati.
Dandam Grinhan marge chalati. Nartakaha padayoho kinkinim, sorry, Badnan Shrigram Davitavan. So the dancer, so of the 2 feet, the kinkini is that which makes that kinkin sound. Okay, it is the anklet. Nupuraha, correct. So it is anklet. So anklet tying Badnan. Okay, Shigram Davitavan. Okay, he ran quickly to the stage. Dushtat dash karmakarah karye dosham kritavan.
Karmakarah karye dosham kritavan.
So this is actually, see, if the boss takes the tyrant view, the work will be like dosha yukta. That is what is the. So you will get the work done, but whether it is work or bad work is the question. Okay. So it is 12:09. Let us take a break and come back and continue the studies for another 25 minutes or so. 12:09. So 12:14 we will gather back. Okay, 12:13, 12:14. Take a water break, please.
Can I ask one question, sir?
Kalpana Parihar Bagini, you have a question. Your hand is raised. Okay.
Sorry, it was my mistake.
No problem. Thanks.
Sir, can I ask one question?
Yes, always.
Sir, today in the class you had told about that, but that ha and the na in the belly. So actually, I think when we say Brahma also, we will be having to use the same kind of a rule, sir.
Correct. Very good. That's also Makara as the baby of Hakara. Correct.
Yes, sir. So actually, is it only for her this kind of a rule will be there? Or...
Nakara also I have seen. Nakara and Nakara are like really cousins. Okay. So na, ma, I've seen these things. A few other places I will have to go back and check the pronunciation. In my mouth, it kind of comes the right way. Not that I know all the forms. So I have to actually mouth it and check. It's somewhere Soumya Bagini in her class made a list of such things. I'll have to go back to search if we can find that and share it.
Okay.
Janvi.
Janhavi. That is a Nakara with Hakara. But actually, this is also Desha specific. I should very carefully say. Some areas they want to pronounce it as Jahnavi. They don't accept Janhavi. But for us in Dravida, we would pronounce it as Janhavi. And as per Soumya Bagini, as the way she sees the rules of the grammar, Nakara takes precedence because it is an influencer in the Sandhi. So she believes, yes, Nakara leads the pronunciation. Janhavi is the pronunciation.
We have seen it for Prahlad also. There is a union minister called Pralhad Joshi. I don't know whether that is right or wrong.
No, that's what, like region-wise, a little bit pronunciation variation. So we in South we actually put Lakara after Haka, Prahlada like that. Pralhada is also used in region. Maharashtra uses Pralhada, South uses Prahlada. See, that's where again we go with Hakara attack and then Lakara like that. Variations exist, but we should permit both and not to kind of get caught up in that. That's all. We just call it as regional variations and go with it.
So that Badran is everywhere in the book. It's put bug. No, sir. It's Bad only. No.
Dhakara. Everywhere Dhakara.
Oh, okay.
If you see the meaning, it is very clear. It is.
Because we write it in English, first is ha, then la. We tend to read Prahlada.
Maybe. Again, whether it is accurate one is Pralhada or Prahlada. I wish we had recordings from Vedic times. No, if actually just what I said rings a bell. Usually the Vedic tradition keeps the pronunciations accurate, right? So we should check some Veda Pata where how they read the Prahlada, because there they will read it correctly. So maybe we should actually ask some one who is a practitioner in traditional Veda recitation. Yeah, they would know. But then also there are Shakha variations. There are different shakas and each shaka has a paddhati. Sometimes the shakas have variations. So some variations we accept. We call it Patha Veda and accept them. Okay, so let's get restarted. Pada Sangraha, so collection of words. Like again, I told you there is not a great deal for me to do here. So just we will get a little bit sense of one dhatu in the different forms so that we practice what are the meaning of each variant every time as an opportunity. Then the other dhatus you guys try to. The thing to do is write sentences for each form. Okay, 1 or 2 sentences, not just 2-word sentences, write some little elaborate sentences, make it a habit. Okay, Gana to count. Okay, Ganayati counts, somebody counts. So Ramaha Sainyam Ganayati, Rama counts the number of Vanaras in his Sainya, something like that. Okay, Ganyate, Ramena Ganyate, by Rama something is counted. Okay, Bhishmena Sankhye Kati Sainikaha Santi iti Ganyate. Like that, Bhishmena. So Ganaish.
Ganyate. Tena Sankhyan Ganyate.
Sankhya Ganyate.
Sankhya.
Sankhya. Strilinga ekvachana. So here only Sankhya Ganyate.
Okay.
Okay. So Ganaishyati will count in the future. So this is future tense, Bhavishyat Kala. So Shvaha Ganaishyati, something like that. Ganaitavyam should be counted. Gananiyam must be counted. Should or must. Both options are identical in meaning. One is tavyat, another is aniyar, we call it. Okay. So that is that. Ganitaha, ganita, ganitam. Kta, kta, anta. Okay. Bhuta karmani kridanta. So karmani. So ramena kimapi ganitaha. Okay. Kamapi, because pullinga. Ramena kamapi ganita. Ramena kimapi ganitam. Napumsaka would be ganitam. Stri thing, if it is counted, it is ganita. So sankhya ganita. Ramena sankhya ganita. Something like that.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Yes.
The spelling of Sankhya, normally we put kha and half here. Here it is put as nga. Sankhya.
It is Anunasika Varna we throw in here. Okay. So ya. This k is also baby. The attack letter is ng. Ng k ya. Nkya.
Like Shankara.
Correct. Like Shankara has a lower alpa prana kakara, and here it's mahaprana kakara. That's the difference. Okay.
Sir, what is the meaning of chiyate?
But you can, Bhagini, you can also put some with a dot above and put kya also. Not a problem. Sanskrit allows that. For some upasargas like some, you don't have to force the Anunasika Sandhi. You can put some with a dot above, Anuswara Bindu, then put kya. Not an issue. Okay?
Sir?
Yes,
what is
Bhagini.
the meaning of chiyate? Eko janah chiyate. You have given the presentation there. What is the meaning of chiyate?
I'm trying to see where you are pointing.
This one, sir. Eko janah chiyate.
Win, I think.
One person was chosen. Does it mean that?
One person is chosen.
Selected.
So, ekaha janaha chiyate. Eko is a utva of visarga. Okay. Ekaha janaha chiyate. One person is chosen, like the picture shows. Okay.
So, but chiyate would be to collect, right? It would also mean to select.
It was.
See, chiyate is the, you see here, it is the karmani form.
Sir. Winning.
Okay. Karmani form.
Yes, sir. But on top, it is given to collect. To collect means to assemble, right?
You can say select, collect, both are possible to be stretched from that. Okay. Chayanam. What is chayanam? You know it as selection, right?
Correct.
That
chunna, to select. Okay, yes.
Chunna of Hindi. Correct. Very good. Yes.
Pushpani chinvanti, like that.
Correct. Mahilaha pushpani chinvanti. Beautiful. So guys, you guys have to do all this. So what I do is just like, nicely we are discussing this, when we form sentences, we see what happens. That exercise should happen as a swadhyaya. Okay, please, just Sanskrit Bharati has not thrown all this into the book just so that you just read it and move on and forget it. Just try to form small sentences, then you will see the struggle. Okay, oh, what's happening? Then, you can go back, search for some sentences with this word and then get some sense from those sentences. Okay, so that exercise has to happen. So let me move on now. Not too much value add I can do. Okay, except put some nice pictures for you guys. Okay, let's go to.
Pictures are very lovely, sir. Very beautiful pictures.
Thank you, Bhagini. I just what I find is, let me be very, very honest. The average age of the students of these Sanskritam classes is 60 plus. Believe me, because I know the statistics from my video consumption on my YouTube channel, where YouTube gives statistics of the age variations of people who are consuming your videos and all that. And I know average is 60 plus. Okay, so given that, what I notice is that we make Sanskrit books too textual we make them, except at nursery level where we put some pictures and move on. After that we forget the pictures. I think videos and pictures have their sense today in the world of low attention. So if you want to attract the youngsters to it, these pictures are helpful. And what I generally found in my earlier classes is, many times the grandsons and the granddaughters who are hovering around in the house, okay, they come to grandma. Oh, grandma is watching something lovely. They sit down next to them, okay, and see what grandma is learning or something like that. So they may pick up something, they may get attracted. That's my hope.
Normally, when an audio-visual impact is given, 85% is registered in the brain.
Very correct, sir.
Only on
Very
listening,
beautiful.
just 15% only is getting registered, and only on seeing, only 65% is getting registered.
Correct.
That is why the idiot box has been introduced to the world.
But definitely your YouTube, this one is very, very useful, sir.
Please, please see, when make sure that if grandkids come, don't shoo them away. Let them sit next to you, even if they disturb you, because they may get attraction. Okay, and that is good for them.
We are also children at heart, my dear.
Oh, that is true, Bhagini. 65 plus is only
Yes,
in
yes.
physical age, age of the Sharira.
Aham ki 62 age.
Age is just a number.
Secret
Happy
maa
Children's
Bhagini.
Day. Happy Children's Day.
I think I'm the youngest.
Okay.
I'm 67. Happiest Children Day. I'm
Oh
35.
yeah, today is Children's Day. Oh, happy Children's Day to all the 60 plus here.
Thank you, sir.
I am
Happy
70, sir.
Chatraha Day. Chatraha
fantastic.
Day. Now all are under one
I am
umbrella. So
70, sir.
all are Chatraha.
Correct. Nice one. Okay, let me just start this slide. Oh, hold on. Okay, all right. So Prahelika. So the puzzle, as usual for us. Rajan Kamalapatraksha Tatte Bhavatu Chakshayam Asadayati Yadrupam Karenuhu Karanaihi Vina. So what is saying? Rajan Sambodhana Pratama. Hey Rajan. Hey Kamalapatraksha. Hey the king. Hey the king with the eyes of the beauty of the leaf of a, or a petal of a
Lotus.
Kamala. Lotus.
Lotus.
Thank you.
Lotus.
When we move around in Sanskritam, the English only gives forgetting. So lotus petal, okay? One with the eyes of a lotus petal or lotus leaf like that. I mean, broad, beautiful, curved eyes like that. So, okay. So this is another kind of qualification to how the king's beauty is. So Sambodhana with that, Patraksha, okay? Tatte bhavatu chakshayam. That for you may become and akshayam. That means one which is not having any reduction in quantity. So that may that become to you unlimited grant, something like that. So may you have plenty.
Infinite.
Infinite. May you have plenty like that. Let us see how it emerges.
Shaya.
Akshaya. Kshaya means to decline. Akshaya means to not at all decline. Akshayam is that which doesn't decline. Okay. Akshayam bhavatu.
Like Akshaya Patram.
Akshaya patram. Asadayati. Okay. Begets or obtains, that sense. Okay. Yeah, begets, gets, something like that. Yadrupam.
Prapnoti, sir?
Similar to close to prapnoti. Okay, but asadana is to aswadana. That sense is there a little bit. Okay. Yadrupam, whatever form. Karenuhu. Okay. The karanaihi vina. Karenu is the elephant. Okay. Karenuhu. See, here I have put karenuhu, karanaihi saha. Karenuhu, the elephant with the karanaihi, with the ears, like that. Karana is generally meaning instrument, but here it, in the sense, he can take it as ear and other sense organs. Okay. So sense organs is the general taken for karana. Okay. So that's why we call manas as antahkarana, the inner sense organ. Okay. So bahya karanas are our eyes and all those things. So karenuhu karanaihi vina. So may that become the unending grant to you, which form the elephant obtains without sense organs. So this is weird. What is this? How do we solve this? May you have plenty of that form of the elephant, she elephant, without sense organs. This is the superficial meaning. If you went about like Anvaya Kriya, that's how the meaning you will get. Okay. So there will be some trick somewhere, some trick will be there by which it is to be resolved. Mahodaya was trying to say something. What is it, Mahodaya?
For Akshayam, we used to tell a mantra after the food. Ravarave Punyanili Padmarpita Nivasanam Hastinam Mudakam Dattam Akshayam Upatishtatu. Ravarava Lokam is Patala Lokha. Brahmin, when after eating, they will be waiting for our food. So we give the water to them. It will let it become more and more and more. That is the meaning of that. Akshayam means it pravaha. It keeps on generating.
So actually, it's the same saying as you will gain what more of what you give, and you will lose what you keep, like that. That kind of phrase. Yeah, okay, yeah. Very nice, very nice. Thanks for that.
Akshaya Tritiya.
Akshaya Tritiya. But we buy instead of giving in Akshaya Tritiya. We should donate more.
Keep coming like that.
Yes, actually we have to donate.
We have to donate, actually, yeah.
That's linked with giving.
Anyway, let us see this puzzle.
Giving in plenty.
So this puzzle is very interesting. So by some play here, we will get some answer that will answer the puzzle beautifully, that a king would want. Okay, and that we would want in an infinite sense. Okay, I think it relates to what would a king want in infinite sense, some kind of courage, something like that is the thing. Clearly the answer won't be some Lakshmi or Dhana or something like that. Okay, so let us, it's very interesting. Okay, let's open up and learn the meaning.
Sir, what's the meaning of asadayati?
Asadayati.
Asadayati.
See, you know sadhanam. Asadayati, obtains, that sense. Okay, begets. From the word karenu, if the consonants k, r, na are removed. See, actually, karenuhu karanaihi vina. Karenuhu karanaihi vina. So, k, r, n. If we remove, we get a, u, right? Only the swaras remain. Okay, so if k, r, n are removed using Paninian prakriya of, I mean, as if it is a mathematical equation, karanaihi vina, without k, r, n, if karenu is deleted, k, r, n is deleted, you get a, u. So then some kind of swarasandhi extraction will happen. Ayevu, ayevu, ayu will emerge, right? So ayevu, I plus uhu, then ayuhu will emerge. Okay, so you guys check your parichaya level to understand what kind of prakriya is taking place. So one is yanta vanta desha sandhi, another is vriddhi, I think. Okay, so if you correct, Bhagini?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, vriddhi followed by
first vriddhi and then yanta vanta
desha. Okay, so so very, very straightforward to come to ayuhu from that knowledge. Okay, see how three swaras are generating a new sound now there. So the verb means ayuhu bhavatu, akshayam ayuhu bhavatah bhavatu iti kavihi एतादृश प्रहेलिकायां राजानं आशीर्वदति. So the verse means, may you live long, O king. Nice one.
No, if you take ayuhu comes out of karana, right? Karenu.
No. Ayuhu comes out of deleting the vyanjanas k, r and na from karenu.
Oh, from both the letters, is it? From both the words.
See, you see karenuhu from the elephant, karanaihi vina. So so you have to take it as from the elephant. The elephant, lady elephant, without the k, r and na varnas, like that you read it. technical reading like that. Cryptic, like you do cryptic quizzes in the book, no, like that. Okay, so without Kurna, you are left with Ayevu. So
Okay.
Ayevu, if you do the Vriddhi and Yanta Desha, you will get Ayuhu. So Ayuhu Bhavatu Tava iti. Akshayam Ayuhu Bhavatu Tava iti Kavihi Vadati Rajanam.
Because Ayuhu Karanaihi Vina will make a curse, not a
No,
bless.
no. See, Karanehu Karanaihi Vina is completely deleted after getting Ayuhu. Because that is the Rupa that is begotten by removing Kurenu from Karenu. See, read this now. Yadrupam Karenuhu Karanaihi Vina Asadayati Tad Bhavatu Bhava. Whatever form that Karenu will get by deletion of Kurena, that form may it be yours infinitely. Okay?
Yeah, understood. Thank you.
Kamalapatraksha Nayanam should have come, no? I is not highlighted there.
Aksha itself is I.
Acha. Okay.
Ikshana, you know the dhatu, Ikshana. So Aksha. Okay, it's coming from that, the I is derived from the Iksha dhatu like that. Kamalapatraksha. Kamalapatra Nayana is another form of that. But here for meter, he has used Kamalapatraksha. I don't know what meter. We can check it later. That's okay, guys.
Chakshayam is cha plus akshayam.
Cha plus akshayam chakshayam. Savarna dirgha sandhi there. So he Rajan, he Kamalapatraksha, tat te bhavatu cha akshayam. Kim Ayuhu. Answer from the second sentence. Okay.
Kamala Patraksha, is it not Kamala petal of the lotus, sir?
Kamala Patra is petal of the lotus. Aksha is one with the eye with the same beauty as that petal. Kamala Patra iva akshaha yasya saha Kamala Patrakshaha.
Kamala Dala Nayana Krishna.
Kamaladala Nayana. Kannada also we use it. Sanskritam word actually. Correct. That is identical to Kamala Patraksha. Very well researched, Bhagini. Okay, I think we don't have time to move on. 12:35. We have passed our limit. So let me not jump into this new lesson. So afternoon, 3 o'clock, we will keep plowing ahead. So it's moving well. So afternoon 3 o'clock, after a nice lunch, a bit of rest, come back and let us start with the nice Subhashitas. Okay. So have a nice lunch and we'll
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock, sorry.
Dhanyavad.
3 o'clock. Trivadane.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad, Mahodaya.
Namaste.